Guys, good afternoon. Hope you had a chance to do your brain break, have a little lunch. I'm here with our Eureka Math Grade 1, and we're looking at Lesson 4. Yesterday we finished Lesson 5. We should have done the homework. Okay, and so we're opening up to page 13, and we are going to start right down here. Here's 13. We're going to start writing our name and date at the top. Paul 12/17/2020. There you go. Remember, we're using 10 to solve addition and subtraction problems. So change the picture to make 10. Write the easier number sentence and solve. Tom has 9 red pencils and 5 yellow. How many pencils does Tom have in all? Okay, so he has 5 yellow pencils, 9 red pencils here. So if we move one of those yellow pencils to join the 9 red, then that gives us a group of 10. And then it's much easier to count up from 10 and add the remaining yellow. So the easier would be 1 and 4, okay? So 10 plus 4 is 14, which means there are 14 pencils. Down here, circle 10 and solve. Okay, so you've got 9 plus 3. It's easier to split the 3, 1 and 2, give the 1 to the 9. Okay, so we're gonna do that down here in the picture. Do you see? Oh, I wrote 1. Okay, do you see down here? I split this. I gave one of those to the 9. So there's 1 here and 2. 1 here and 2. So 10, the problem was 9 plus 3. Now it's 10 plus 2 because we added that 1 to the 9 and there were 2 left over, which gives us 12. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with this one. I'll give you a hint. So it's going to be 1 and 3, and then I want you to solve the rest on your own. So I'll do the circling. So go ahead and see if you can figure out the problem changes from 4 plus 9 to 10 plus 3. And then write the answer down there on the bottom. When you're done with that, you're going to turn to page 14. And you're going to continue on doing the same thing. This time you're drawing a picture. Okay, so I'll give you an example here. So we've got 9, let's say we have 9 triangles, and we have 5 circles. Okay, so there's my picture. If I take one circle and I move it over to be a group with the triangles, that gives me 10 in that group, which leaves me with 4, okay? So I made 9 equal to 10 now, put the 10 up here, which left 4, so I put the 4 here, and 10 plus 4 is a little bit easier to add, which means we're changing the 5 to a 1 and a 4, which is a number bond. So all the things that we've been practicing are putting together now, okay? So first step, break the 6 into 5 and 1. That's a number bond of 6, 5 and 1, okay? Come over here, draw a picture of 9 and 6 of something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I did 9 circles and 6 triangles. I'm going to remove one triangle from the 6, bring it over here, which 9 plus 1 equals 10, and 6 minus 1 equals 5. Okay, so I'm going to draw my big circle. Now, we're going to come back to this after we do this part. So now this is equal to 10. Put the 10 here. This is equal to 5. Put the 5 here. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15, which means 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Okay, go ahead and do the next two on your own, and then the homework page 15 and 16, do it at a different time, and I will post a video of the answers on Monday morning. After you're done with math, you are going to pull out your animal word card. Yesterday we talked about an elephant. The example was elephant. We came up with 4 adjectives describing an elephant, and then we slowly added adjectives to our sentence to create a more interesting sentence. Today, for your afternoon monthly mini lesson, you get to pick whatever animal you want. Yay! You could pick a horse, a pig, a cow, maybe a donkey, maybe a specific donkey, Jerry, Jasper, Foxy. It's totally up to you. So you pick the animal and you're going to write, okay, four adjectives. So if I pick Petunia, for example, my pig Petunia, she's pink, she's mini, she is female, and she is feisty. She's a very feisty little pig, okay? So those are 4 different things that I wrote down to describe her. So then I can put Petunia Pig up here at the top. Okay. I can say pink Petunia Pig, just like that. So you write your animal, then you write 1 adjective and your animal, 2 adjectives and your animal, 3 adjectives, your animal, and then we'll finish by writing your whole sentence. So she's a feisty pink Petunia Pig. Feisty pink Petunia Pig. Now she is a feisty pink mini Petunia Pig. Okay? Feisty pink mini Petunia Pig. Feist, and then my sentence, feisty pink, and I'm putting a comma between each adjective. Mini, and then Petunia is her name. Went romping through the, I'm running out of space, forest on Thursday afternoon. Okay. Feisty pink mini Petunia Pig went romping through the forest on Thursday afternoon. You could even add to that and say, she had a really fun time. Or she discovered some delicious treats. Some delicious apples that had fallen on the ground. You can add all kinds of details. All right, so when you're done with that, you're done with your PM learning for this Thursday, December 17th, 2020. Remember, tomorrow is a schoolwork catch-up day. Okay, so Mr. Paul has been posting videos all week long. The uploading speed has been horribly down, so it takes several hours, and so my videos have been a little bit late in uploading this week. I apologize for that. I'm trying to get ahead of the game here, but we're going to leave tomorrow for a makeup day for those days when maybe you didn't get to do the learning stuff. So let me know how it's going. If you need help, please reach out, and I will talk to you next week.